Venice traffic, Skyhawk 983, turning left base, runway 23, Venice traffic.
Test, get ready?
Yep, I can hear you.
All right. Oop, testing the brakes.
Okay, your brakes are good. I have the airplane.
Okay.
Okay, my brakes are good.
Awesome, I have the airplane.
Airplane.
Cabin doors closed and latched. I'm going to leave the window open for, you know what? I'm going to shut it because
yeah.
Camera. Okay, cabin doors closed and latched. You've got your seatbelt on. And flight controls.
Oh, we should go to the end of the runway.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we don't know where we're going.
Nope.
Oops. Not what I want.
Skyhawk 983, turning final, runway 23, full stop, Venice.
Oops.
And then we want to go to standby to use.
Oh, that's why I can't.
1,600.
Venice is noise sensitive. Intersection departures prohibited. Runway 23, calm wind runway. Runway 13, right traffic. Please fly friendly.
Venice Municipal Airport, automated weather observation 1508 Zulu weather. Wind 240 at 6, visibility 9er. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 31 Celsius, 2.24 Celsius. Altimeter 3010. Remarks, density altitude 1,600.
Venice is noise sensitive. Intersection departures prohibited. Runway 23, calm wind runway. Runway 13, right traffic. Please.
So 24, so we want to do 23?
Yep, sounds good.
23 is
Venice
located.
Municipal Airport, automated weather observation 1509er Zulu weather. Wind 240 at 5, visibility 9er. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 31 Celsius, 2.24 Celsius. Altimeter 3010. Remarks,
Are we ready to go?
distant
Yep.
northeast. Density altitude.
Oh, Rachel, to extend our time.
600.
Oh, thank you.
Venice is noise sensitive. Intersection departures prohibited. Runway 23, calm wind runway. Runway 13, right traffic. Please fly friendly.
Venice Municipal Airport, automated weather
Mind just
observation
popping it so that we can listen to the traffic. Yep. Thank you.
Nice takeoff. This thing will climb pretty high, but I'm always trying to get altitude when I'm close to the ground.
Are you using brakes a little bit?
Yeah, I
Okay,
am.
put
that
off
good
the
or
brakes and then just bring the power back. If you feel like you have to use brakes, then take the power off.
Okay.
Because riding the brakes is hard.
Okay.
The plane. So let's make a little turn and then see if the ball moves. Yeah, so it went to the left. So the went to the inside and the ball goes to the other side.
Gotcha.
And then when you turn to the left, the numbers should get smaller.
Right.
To the right. Yep. That's it. For the rest, we'll pay attention.
What?
For the rest, we'll pay attention to the outside.
Okay.
Venice traffic, light 4 November 5 to Hotel Tango, 2.5 miles to the east of the airport, inbound to join the...
so they're in the middle. Remember how I said you should go on either side?
Yeah.
So...
That's what I was thinking. I was trying to figure out where to go.
Is it okay if I take it?
Yes. I almost said that anyway. I'm like, I don't really know where to go. But if you weren't here, that's where it looked like there was more room right
Okay,
here.
good. Whoa, let's get it.
All right, I have the plane.
You have the airplane.
All right, so doors closed and locked. We'll keep them open for now if you want.
Thank you.
Flight controls fleet clear.
Venice traffic, light 4 November 5 to Hotel Tango. On the left hand, wind for runway 23, full stop. Venice traffic.
Yes. Flight into check, which we did. That looks. Now this is not in the green.
Yeah, it won't be until we go to the full hour. You know, once we do that part when we go up to 1700.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
You know, anyway. So
Well,
flight instruments are just the 6.
Yeah. I set that. We checked that on the way out, so that all looks good. So now we can do up to.
You know what? Let's double check this.
Oh. So just about. Yeah, it's wrong. One line. Yeah, that looks good. All right, now we are ready to. Okay, I got the brakes tight. Okay. And magnetos.
Venice traffic, light 4 November 5 to Hotel Tango, turning base for runway 23, full stop. Venice traffic.
Up. And check left. Down, yeah. Back up, good. Repeat.
And once you put it in, make sure you look that it goes back.
Okay. Yep, you're good. No light is on. Temperature and pressure. Oil temperature, oil pressure looks good. Now the suction is green. Throttle back to idle.
Venice traffic, Skyhawk, 1159 Zulu is on a 3-mile final on the
Throttle pressure, that feels good. Lights is required. Feel ominous. Set.
Venice traffic, light 4 November 5 to
where does this one go?
on the short final 423, full stop. Venice traffic.
Yeah, I was the next one.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. Mixture rich, which is in, but we already did that. So do we push it all the way in again?
Yeah, we've leaned it for taxi.
Which, see, this is the first time we've kind of done that where I'm...
Okay.
All right, so we'll take off.
Okay, we'll wait behind this guy. There's somebody on final. Is it okay if I move us up a little bit?
Absolutely, you've got the plane.
I want to see where he is. It doesn't matter, but...
Oh,
there we go.
There he is.
And it's good to be able to see final, too. And base and... Okay, you have the airplane. So we'll go... No, to the left. We'll go south.
At 700 feet, make a turn.
I'm telling you conflicting, darning. Is that why you asked?
No, you just told me to head south, and I wanted to know if I could turn to head south at 700 feet, or just do it when we get... Because, you know, we're pretty much at the coast when we take off.
Yeah. This one that says here, turn crosswind at 700 feet.
Right.
So we'll do that.
Venice traffic, November 5 to Hotel Tango, clear runway 23.
But like in Sarasota, they just want you to turn when you can, and you feel comfortable.
Okay. That was another thing I'm going to tell you. At some point, I think it would be good and maybe fun if You pretend that you're an air traffic control tower?
Yeah.
But not today.
Yeah, okay. No, I can give you all the clearances for this and then.
Yeah, you can talk to me and I'll try to talk to you back. And I thought, well, that's a good plan. All right, so we'll wait for them and they're taking off. How long of a time do you let them go?
Well, they're a similar plane to us, so we need to give them space for sure.
Yes.
Venice traffic Skyhawk, short final 23, touch and go, departing to the north. Venice.
That's them, right? Okay.
153 Lima is upwind, runway 23, departing to the northeast, Venice.
Okay, that was someone else on this runway, but I didn't know what they were.
Yep, there is.
Oh, there he is.
So after this dude lands, let's see what kind of plane he is. I don't know if he's landing full stop or he's taking off again, but he's a little bit faster than. But
Okay.
look, see that guy now? He's turning on his crosswind. I would go now.
If he wasn't there.
Right.
Right.
But now we'll see what the guy. Maybe he has a bad landing and he goes around, or maybe he's doing a touch and go. Oh, there he's doing a touch and go.
Yeah.
So we'll hear for his announcement. Wait, you know what? Can you say that we're line up and wait for runway 23?
Venice traffic, Cessna 479 Tango Charlie, lining up to wait on runway 23, Venice traffic.
Good. So before we get out, go ahead and scooch us out, but make sure that it's clear.
He never did make a call.
Yeah, because you know what happens? Maybe there's an instructor, or it's a high-tent moment when you decide to go around. So it's kind of like everyone's busy. In a tower, they see you go around. I'm fine. Clear. And then once we're out here, another check that this is good is it should be more or less on 2-3. They round it.
Right.
So yeah, we're on 2-3. This looks on 2-3.
Yes.
You can make the call that we're departing to the south.
Venice traffic, Cessna 479 Tango Charlie, departing on runway 23 to the south. Venice traffic. What? Good?
Oh, good.
All right,
Yep.
we ready?
Yep.
All right, feet on the ground.
Heels to the floor, hand on
The floor. On here, go. All 3.
your hand on it.
Oh yeah, that's right. We're there. We're going.
All right, beautiful to VY.
Hey!
If we had an engine failure now, we couldn't go back. In the time that we turn, so we might have to turn to the right and either land on the beach.
5-2 Hotel Tango, do you read Mendocino.com?
Go ahead for November 52 Hotel Tango.
Hi Edgar, this is Abby. I talked to you yesterday. Are you going to go in the hangar or are you going to go stay on the tie down?
It's going to be Abby. It's going to be tied down.
If you want to go ahead and park on the west side of those orange cones, that would be great.
Copy that. West side of the orange cone.
Thank you.
All right. And I should make a call when we turn, or we kind of already told everybody?
Yep. And there's not a lot going on, so if there was a lot of people in the pattern or some guy coming in, then I might be like, hey, I'm over here.
Okay.
Or if you're by yourself, you can make every announcement and it's totally okay.
Gotcha.
go along the coast. Just get us to the coast, and we'll go to 2,000 feet.
Okay.
Sure, looking for traffic coming in. People coming into 2-3 will be doing their 45.
Right.
The window's nice and clean.
Yeah, I did check that. You said you wanted me to go up to 2,000 or 3,000?
Let's go 2. See how the clouds are treating. And once we level off, I'd like for you to do the level off checklist, or cruise checklist.
Wait for that stop, pull back a little bit. That would be level flight, set to cruise, which I did. A little bit I could do. That feels good. And mixture lean about 3.
Yeah, let's do it for real. We're not supposed to do it in this plane until 3,000 feet, but I want to do it. I want to teach you.
Okay.
So I'll do the first one. And so hear the engine now.
Okay.
The way that we're going to do it is until we feel some engine roughness, and then we screw it back in 3 times.
Okay, so engine roughness, screw it back in 3 times.
So I'll do it the first time. I'm just doing it with this because I don't want to
too
all
much.
the gas.
Yeah. Ah, I hear it.
Okay, so then I'm going to go 1, 2, and 1 for mother, 3.
Okay, so that's like your cushion.
Yeah.
I like that.
So, yeah, so when we're in level flight, you know, as there's air is less dense, less air, then we need less fuel for that mixture. Otherwise, it'll be too rich of a mixture in the cylinder. And when we do that check,
right,
it's been doing good, but if somebody takes a long flight with too rich of a mixture, then all the gas gets stuck in the cylinder. And when we do that check, it hesitates and it's like,